Cuckoo, Cuckoo, where are you? I cannot find my cat Cuckoo. Would you like to help me? Then come and let's see where is it now. Peekaboo, Peekaboo, where is my cat Cuckoo? Peekaboo, Peekaboo, oh I find my Cuckoo. See, it's under the table. Peekaboo, 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 where is my cat Cuckoo? Can you find it now? Let's see. Oh, it's on the chair. Peekaboo, 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 where is my cat Cuckoo? Can you see it now? Oh, it's in the box. Peekaboo, 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 where is my cat Cuckoo? Can you find it now? Is it here? Yes, it's behind the bush. Peekaboo, 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 where is my cat Cuckoo? Can you find Cuckoo anywhere? See properly. Yes, it's in front of the tree. Peekaboo, 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 where is my cat Cuckoo? Come, let's find it. Where is it now? Oh, it's there near the slide. Come, let's say it. Peekaboo, Peekaboo, meow, meow, cuckoo. Thank you for finding my cat Cuckoo through this game of Peekaboo. You also play this game at your home. Bye bye. ऐसे ही फन लर्निंग वीडियोस के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करें और हमारे लर्निंग प्रोग्राम के बारे में और जानने के लिए स्क्रीन पर दिए गए डिटेल्स पर संपर्क करें। स्कूल एट होम, द बेस्ट वे टू लर्न। खेल खेल में पढ़ाई।